the 19th morning session in the Parayana of Aptavani 4, Puja Deepak Bhai. There's so many circumstances and situations we pass through where we put our signatures by saying that this is happening to me, because there are all kinds of, out of ignorance we wanted some pride validation or sexual favors or sexual pleasures, etc. All kinds of negative intentions have been created in ignorance only. But if we now in the Samayik revisit them and look back, you will be able to see in all situations where in family matters or in childhood or in college where we were having, or in matters of money with colleagues, or in situations of businesses. Externally we are being nice to each other, but inside we are having negative talk about the very person. We are actually putting our signatures in kashais by we want to split it into two, that it is a discharge of file 1, but in that discharge I want to see it separate. I want to see that discharge is separate, and wherever there was any effect, I want to wherever there was any effect in the non-self complex, where there was any effect in file 1 and the intentions got spoiled, I want to visit those evidences in the close family members where the intentions got spoiled on minor matters. And when the intentions got spoiled, and so the interactions with human beings, so somewhere there is all kinds of negative ego-based reactions have arisen, and when it has happened, we want to have this awareness that it is happening in file 1. It is all relative, and I just need to know it. Period. That's all. And it is discharging full stock of the file 1. And now we want to do one more something, that it is now we want to see where the ego of the file 1 was getting disturbed in its worldly interactions with other human beings. And I want to see it separate. I want to see that ego is separate too, and whether it was aversion, or whether it was positive, or it was willful behavior, or whether it is deceitful intentions, or whether it is attraction. All of those intents of the ego need to be seen, and especially with sticky files in at home or outside the home, in business, etc. Wherever the sticky files have arisen, where the effects came to file number 1 and negative intents were perpetuated and multiplied, I like to see them in Samayik, where there has been losses of money in life, where there have been serious insults and defamations in situations in life, or where some terrible harm is done by somebody very close to you, like a son or a daughter, or whether something terrible has happened in the family where there was a lot of ego-based insistences. At that time there is very major pressure on the ego, and therefore because the pressure on the ego, then one enters into a whole outburst of ego-based reactions. And I want to see what was the effect to the ego of file 1, and if there was any negative effect, then make it do the pratikraman. But the whole emphasis now is on to really remain the knower rather than to be the sufferer. You are not the sufferer, you are only the knower. Therefore, continue to remain as the knower, and to see that the discharge is really an effect, and it was an effect that was caused in the last life, but it is now unfolding in this life for you, and it is the fruits, and and you should not be so affected when the fruit is bitter, and when you should not be so overjoyed when the fruit is very sweet and pleasant. And so now look at this, all when you have literally blamed the other people in life, and you have really scorned them, or you have hurt them terribly, then all of those, and we want to wipe those situations off. And in all of these intentions, who am I? And then you can then remain the knowers here, and then also now along with the knowing and seeing experiment, you can say that I am the knowers here. You come, you Siddharth, you Nada, you Uve, do the pratikraman and kind of wipe it off. Come on, let's wipe it off. So these three kinds of samayiks are very important to see the discharge of file 1. and then see the discharge of the other files too, and that is the second. And number 3, now in the relative, focus on the effects in the relative to the final, and you'll find out that it is the ego that got disturbed. It is the ego that is the snake that was disturbed, and then the snake bit back. And therefore, when the ego is stroked, then it feels good, and therefore there is a pleasant effect. When it is depressed, when it is hurt, then it rebels and it arises against it. So this is it. So the ego is pride and anger, and then there is Maya or Mamta. Minus is the ego minus that is associated with this ego is the deception as well as the greed. And so then if you want to split it even more, when there is, say you are insulted, at that time you are so concerned by it, months later you are still really, you keep on seeing the faults of the other person, then then even if later on you say, why am I having negative thoughts about the other person, then you know that the initial slap was the initial insult, but still the vibrations and the echoes are still continuing like the bouncing ball, and therefore recognize that it is not yours, and therefore if the effects are happening to you, then how do you know that you are getting absorbed in it? How do you know that you are becoming the body mind form? Then the answer is that the effects are happening to you, or the vibrations of those effects are happening to you. The ball is still bouncing for you, or the ripples are still happening in the pond. And then when it happens, then again you will become absorbed. So recognize that it is still the old effect, it is the stole. Even if you have stolen once only, then nature is such that it will always the stealing happens again and again. If a young man and a young boy meet in secret, then if initially there will be a break, but once they meet, then they will meet 10 or 15 times secretly again. But every time you meet, that means all things done in deception, all things done in error, through hurtful intents, all effects happening to the ego need to be washed off through pratikraman and pratyakyan done by the suffering ego. Show that very ego that you suffered in these effects, and let me see you where you are suffering. Let me show you where you're suffering. Let me show you this effect, and so that you can wash it off. Some people complain that, I'm bombarded by sexual thoughts, but you should say that they are just echoes from past life. And that is my signature is not in there. I am the blissful one in the knower and seer of all of these sexual thoughts that are just coming in front of me. And there is a wax museum, right? Supposing you have lived overnight in Madame Tussauds, you will not be able to sleep. You will literally believe that these people are stalking you. But you see, because you get so psychologically believing that you are amidst the ghosts of all of these people. These people are living in front of you in the wax museum of Madame Tussauds or wherever exactly. So these are all living wax models only, really. And so to accuse, why did you do this to me? Why did he do this to me? Why should he not behave like this? Why is he doing this? These are all avasthas. These are all the situations create effects to the ego. It is the ego that receives these effects, and now if you can see them with the exactness of your vision of the S capital self and the 5 agnas, and wanting to deal with equanimity, then you will be able to see the very subtle level effects that arise in the non-self complex, in Susanna, in Nada, in Ove, in Siddharth, and make him or her do the pratikraman and wash it off. So let us do that, such a samayik. And if somebody says, I cannot see it in exactness, then just simply concentrate on instances where you have hurt the other people or where other people have hurt you. But and then keep the awareness of separation. The sufferer of the effect is not I. The sufferer of the effect is the sufferer of the causes only. The sufferer of the effect is the sufferer who had created the causes. The sufferer of the effect is the one who had created the causes. I did not create any causes, and so I am not the sufferer at all. And so let us focus on the beginning of the effect, and that makes you become absorbed in the situation and therefore create more vibrations of negativity, etc. And just as you watch a movie, in the same way, watch file 1 only. Watch file 1 of Cynthia, watch file 1 of Bettina, watch file 1 of Uber. And this is what you see. The discharge, it is all discharging in the mind, in the speech, and the body. But you see, our intellect tends to kind of hang on with a hook and say, "Wait a minute, why not? Why this way?" If the intellect is no longer in operation, it will not hang on to anything. It will not have a hook, and instead you should do the Brati Bhav, that it should not be so, it should not be so. Intellect is what prevents you from doing the Pratikraman. So let us do a very beautiful Samaik on human beings and situations and circumstances in life. Let us do the Vidi. O Dada Bhagwan, the Supreme Self within me. O dear Lord Simandar Swami Prabhu, the Lord, fully enlightened one, with the exact applied awareness of the S capital Self, in worldly situations and interactions, all the sticky files that came in front of me and the situations with them, wherever the ego suffered effects, and wrong intentions arose in reaction, in all those situations and matters and circumstances, let me set this awareness of separation, and that the relative effects are happening to the non-self ego. Let me keep such an awareness of separation, and whatever intentions had become spoiled in the past, let me clear them up through Pratikraman and Pratyakyan, and grant me the energy to do such a Samaik. I surrender the mind, speech and body, all illusions associated with my name, Bhav Karma, charge Karma, Dravya Karma, subtle discharge Karma, yellow glasses, no Karma, gross discharge Karma. O Dada Bhagwan, the fully manifest one, I am surrendering them unto your feet. I am surrendering them. Atma chu, Shuddhatma chu, Shuddhatma chu, Shuddhatma chu. Shuddhatma chu, 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 Shuddhatma chu. Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand. Do a great Samaik. In these big events that we gather together, the becoming engrossed, or we can take the big events, or you can take the small events. And now, in all of this, the knowing and the seeing must increase. We must know how to separate ourselves in this. Let us do a great Samaik today. All right, Jai Sachidanand.